Alright, Baby Yoda, Grogu. Let's hit the road. Not really the road, more like the stars. Kyle, Matthew, did we make it in time? No, you did not. The video started like 56 seconds ago. Well, let's start the video anyway. IG, Grief, are you here? Right here.
Right here.
Why do you sound so different, IG?
No idea.
What is it with IG-11? Why does he sound like a hungry mutt?
I'm $100.
It didn't say $100. It said a hungry mutt. Well, anyway, let's get back to what I've been trying to do this entire time. Even though I've been waiting for these people to get here for such a long time. Okay, well, anyway, I am here for another toy review video, like I posted 20 minutes ago. And this video is, let me move this out of the way. The Star Wars, the Razor crest from Star Wars: The Mandalorian. And what I did, and so I built the set, which took me 8 hours. This set was so hard to build. Do you know? Guess how long it took me to build it.
I already told them.
8 hours. I've been working on this almost all day. Started at 7, just finished at around 3. And that's about 8 hours, maybe. And, well, and then here is the ship. This thing is amazing. And there's a lot of features we gotta get to.
And you won't believe how many pieces were in there.
There was 1,023 pieces. I feel like there are sets that are bigger than this, but this is pretty big. Let's fix this. Hold on. There we go. So let's get to that. Down to it. Right here, the cockpit that opens up. It comes with Baby Yoda, Grogu, Mando, stuff. IG, hey man, and Grief. So, and then there's also somewhere the Scout Trooper. I do not know where I put the Scout Trooper.
Is this a good microphone?
The Scout Trooper. I don't know where I put him, so I'll just right there. Not here. Stop, Matthew.
Do you have
Right
anything
there.
to say?
Stop. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
Scout Trooper. Right there. Okay. Well, this cockpit also just goes right back in there. And then we got more to get to. Over here, this folds, this comes down, and inside is a little open area, really. And on the other side, same thing, except in here is Mando's bed. So Mando can just go in here, take a little nappy, close it back up, and he can, stop. Oh, well, look at that. He can take a nap, and also hope that his sleep isn't interrupted by the Scout Trooper, which I just found. Sorry I was late, boss. I had to finish eating my hot dogs.
He is very hungry every day.
Every day he's hungry, yeah.
Nothing to say yet.
Well, he can So the scout trooper is going to wake up Mando's from his nap. Yeah! Hey! Close the door. I'm sleeping. Ah! Oh no, he just got... Ah! He locked him in.
Cut.
Nothing.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. I give this, by the way, I give this toy 10 out of 10. And those are pretty much all the features. This thing comes off on the top. The thing on the top comes off. In the back, all the walls fold. 10 out of 10 for this. 10 out of 10. Bye.